So let me get right into this video for you guys. So these are the two containers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they are glass containers. And then I got this band, like this row of diamonds from Walmart, and the second one that I got from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to be doing right now is just taking it apart, getting everything ready for the process. And I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out. So I got my hot glue gun ready to go, and I got everything ready. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be applying the glue to the surface of the glass, like a line going around the glass, and then I just place the diamonds on it and just go around, like follow wherever I put that glue, and I just go all around until I'm done, basically. Okay, y'all, so I'm almost done here. So once I got all the way around, like close to the end, what I did was cut the band so that it wouldn't be any gaps, like any huge gaps in between. And yeah, that's basically it. And also I cleaned up what I needed to clean up afterwards, of course. And yeah, that's the finished product. Oh yeah, and I also went ahead and put some at the bottom as well. And this is the finished product, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, leave new ideas. Let me know if you guys need more videos like this.